Hi, my name's Laura Schultz and I'm a licensed acupuncturist here at Push San Diego. Today I'm going to demonstrate for you how to use your Moxa stick. This is a tool we use a lot for our fertility patients to help increase circulation to the reproductive organs and warm up the belly. So the first thing I'm going to show you is how to light your Moxa stick because it can be a little tricky. The best way to light it is by using a candle. So I have my candle lit here, and you just hold your Moxa over the candle flame and roll it around until your Moxa is good and lit. It can take a few minutes, which is why we like to use the candle instead of a lighter. So I do have one that's already going. So this is what it looks like when it's been going for a while. The ash can kind of build up on the end. So the next important thing to know is how to ash your Moxa. Here we have a cup full of raw rice, and to ash the Moxa you just want to roll it in the raw rice and that gets all the ash off. It's important not to tap it and bang it on the thing because that can make the tip unstable and it could fall off. So to extinguish the Moxa stick, same as ashing it except that you leave it in. After a minute or two it'll go out, but we want to use it. So I have my model here. And the way that you use your Moxa stick is to hold it about an inch away from the skin and slowly move it over the area that you want to warm. You can also feel around for cold spots on your own abdomen and warm those areas in particular. You can do about 10 minutes every day, 3 to 4 times a week or every day. And then another area that we like to use it on is the inside of the lower legs. And it's just the same technique. You hold it about an inch away, checking for cold spots, and just slowly moving it up and down the inside of your leg. And that is how you use your Moxa stick. Thank you.